equipo táctico por si se me enteran. Traigo mis muchachos que a todos se arrean para los corrientes que cruzan la línea.
Hey, what's up guys, we're back here again with another vlog. Right now we're gonna go pick up the Valence. It's very cold right now, it's 32 degrees. And we're gonna be taking my mom's car since it's very windy. We don't want it to fly away from our truck. So let's go ahead and get this going, guys. Check this out, guys. It's so cold that the windows, it rained last night, so it froze up. And I broke the windshield wiper trying to clean it off.
Mis balas son sus medicinas. Tengo talibanes totalmente armados. Me dicen Ponchito y soy de cuidado. La Lima del Alto, 13 se han superado.
Alright guys, so we made it right here. Well, I'm gonna pick it up. Let me go check it out and then we'll be back right now.
Soy de buena mata, ya lo he demostrado. Hay varias hazañas porque me defiendo. Yo traigo mi escuela, sabor macho prieto. Pa' cuidar un ruso, yo nunca la pienso.
Alright guys, so right now this is how it looks because we removed the top bumper piece and as well as the valence. So it looks a little fucked up. It's super cold right now, but y'all look how it looks. It looks all funny and shit. But right now we're gonna install the valence and the plastic piece. Probably just the top plastic piece is pretty easy. And we'll wait on the valence because it's pretty cold, but we'll see what's up right now. Alright guys, so the valence is right here. I'm not gonna install it because the clips, when the other one broke off, fucking, I don't know, they got lost or whatever. But it's right here. It has a black finish. Brand new fog lights. Alright. So, but I'm gonna show you how the bumper pad looks. I put it back on yesterday, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, there's the bumper pad. We put it back on. It looks clean. All it's gonna be missing is the valence. Let's check it out good. There we go. Alright guys, right here, these are my seats. I'm selling them if any of you are interested. This shit is it's super clean stitching, guys. Check it out. Some badass work on them. The only reason I'm selling them is because I've had them over a year and it's time to do something new with them. I'm asking $350 or best offer. Y'all throw me an offer and we'll work something out. Don't be scared to throw me an offer, guys. Yep, there they are. Here's the driver's side seat. If y'all didn't know, I said that it has a little tear. This is the little tear right there. Nothing crazy. You can barely even tell. But they're super clean seats. They're basically the stock light brown that the 99 Throw 2 comes with. So y'all let me know about them. Alright guys, so y'all got to see the bumper pad installed. Sometime during this week, probably the weekend, we're going to be installing the valence. And y'all saw that I'm selling the seats, so y'all let me know about the seats. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all go ahead and like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Stay tuned for my new seats. They're gonna be coming out soon too, and a lot of more stuff that I'm gonna be doing to the truck. This year is almost over, but we did pretty good this year. But y'all stay tuned. Thanks guys, follow me on Instagram. Thanks, see y'all till next time.